Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include parking assist system, technology package, blind spot monitor, ventilated seats. Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.